here at Olympic off Heavenly. The nice thing about this area is it's got some really nice intermediate glade terrain. Also, incredible views of the lake and the valley. Let's check out some of these trees.
The trees here are at a bit lower elevation than some of the other glades at Heavenly, but they're still quite a bit of fun, especially on a sunny day like the day we recorded this. This area, the Pines, is located about as skiers left from the Olympic lift as you can get. It snowed a foot a few days before this recording, although the base layer was pretty thin for the time of year. If you come to Heavenly during the earlier season, there's a good chance this terrain might not be ready yet. If you're an intermediate, you'll have a great time in here. These trees are pretty widely spaced, so you don't really have to worry about bumping into anything if you even have a modicum of an idea of what you're doing. Olympic is one of two areas in Heavenly that has intermediate glade terrain. The other is Galaxy, but we'd skip that due to the ridiculously long lift ride required to get out. One other benefit to the wide spacing between these trees is some pretty decent views of the valley below. It's not every day you'll find these quality views on intermediate glade terrain. Here's a tip. Be sure to cut out of the trees right about here. That way, you can catch the Olympic Express lift to get back up to the top. It's also not marked, but the pitch below here gets quite a bit steeper and is really chiefly suitable for advanced visitors. But overall, this terrain is quite a bit of fun, and intermediate and better skiers should make a note to check it out on their next trip to Heavenly.